Good afternoon, boys and girls. I am going to start making some videos for math, and we're going to actually start practicing this math on our Zoom call today. Very much like what we were doing in class. Remember how Mrs. Ryan, everybody was sitting down on the carpet and Mrs. Ryan would ask you to write a certain number and show me that number? Well, these videos are going to be made for you to practice that on your own, okay? So what you're going to need is your dry erase marker and a dry erase board. And remember, after you have written it, you're going to check it. I'll show you. So you're going to check it with what Mrs. Ryan holds up, and if you've got it good, you can wipe it off lickety-split, okay? All right, so this is what's going to happen. I'm going to say, write the number 1 and show me one circle. Okay, then you're going to write the number 1 and you're going to show me one circle. And then I'm going to hold it up. Oops, that was upside down. I'm going to hold it up and you're going to check yourself to make sure that you wrote your number correctly and you showed me one circle. Okay, you're going to give yourself a mental high five. And then you're going to wipe it off lickety-split, okay? Mrs. Ryan forgot to get a dry erase board, so I'm going to have to order one online. So I don't have one. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Write the number 2 and show me number 2. Remember, or show me 2 circles. Remember, you want to keep your circles nice and neat, because we're going to be grouping them in groups of 5, okay? So you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay. Good. Now check yourself. The number 2, make sure you wrote the number 2 properly, and you have 2 circles. See how mine are nice and neat? Okay. Check yourself. Give yourself a high five if you got it right. Erase it lickety-split. Okay. Write the number 3 and show me 3 circles. Write the number 3 and show me 3 circles. Okay, I think you got it. Number 3. Make sure you wrote your number 3 the right way. And you put your 3 circles going down. Okay. Give yourself a mental high five and erase that lickety-split. And you know you can always pause this if you need to pause, okay? All right, here we go. Write the number 4 and draw 4 circles. Write the number 4 and draw 4 circles. Okay, here we go. Number 4. So remember, you have the line down, a line down, and over. And you've drawn your 4 circles nice and neat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give yourself a high five. If you need a few minutes, you know you can pause me. Okay, give yourself that mental high five. Erase it, lickety-split. Okay, write the number 5 and draw 5 circles. Write the number 5 and draw 5 circles. So remember, Mrs. Ryan is writing her circles in a tower. In a tower, okay? Or yes, a tower or a column. We called them columns or towers. Remember that? And then the rows were across. Okay? So this is a tower or a column. Okay, your number 5 across the top, down, and around. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Give yourself that mental high five. You're doing good. Super proud of you, just like I always am. Okay, ready? Erase that lickety-split. Here we go. Write the number 6 and draw 6 circles. Now remember, you're keeping them in rows of 5 or groups of 5. So what do you need to do with that extra one? Because we're already past the 5. What do you need to do with that extra one? Think, think, think. I know you can remember. All right, here we go. Number 6. So the 6 starts here at the top and it comes around and circles. Okay? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to start a new row. Okay? Because we're going to go all the way to number 10 in this video. To number 10 in this video. Okay? You got it? Remember, you can pause me if you need to. All right. High five. I give you a high five. Okay, erase it lickety-split. Mary Kate's laughing at me. Lickety-split. Everybody remembers that, right? Lickety-split. That means quick, quick, quick. Okay, here we go. Ready? Write the number 7 and show me 7 circles. Okay. Write the number 7 and show me 7 circles. There you go. So number 7, it goes across the top and kind of in a diagonal. Not kind of, it is a diagonal. All the way to the bottom. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the next column, 6, 7. Okay? So I have my row of 5. So when we look at this, we can say, we know that's 5 plus 2 is 7, right? We know that number sentence. All right. Give yourself a high five. You did it. Here we go. Erase it lickety-split. Lickety-split. All right. Mrs. Ryan shouldn't be putting her fingers in her mouth, should she? Woo, woo. I'm getting the pages. Okay, here we go. You ready? All right. Write the number 8 and show me 8 circles. Write the number 8 and show me 8 circles. Here we go. There you go. So the number 8 is kind of like a snowman, right? From the top all the way. Well, yeah, Mary Kate said a figure 8. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the next column. Good. Ready? High five. Good job. Erase it lickety-split. All right. Here we go. You ready? Write the number 9 and show me 9 circles. Good job. All right. I know you're doing it. Your brains are thinking. I can see it. Okie dokie. Here we go. Number 9. So the number 9, all the way down, all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice how I have them all right across from each other. Nice and neat. Nice and neat. Remember, one of the big rules about math is you got to write those numbers super duper nice and neat and keep everything in a straight line. Remember, Mrs. Ryan told you that my mama always got on to me. And she said, you got to keep those numbers in a row. You got to keep those numbers straight up and down. Because you're not going to know what you're doing if you don't. All right, you got it? All right, high five. Good job. All right, erase it. Lickety-split. Okay, I bet you can't guess what the next number is. Emily, I bet you can guess. Emily sent me a picture, and she wrote all of her numbers with beautiful handwriting all the way to 50. If you do that, send me a picture. It makes me very, very, very happy. Okay? All right, here we go. Ready? Write the number 10 and show me 10 circles. Okay, now we're getting into what's called double digits, huh? Double digits. Here we go. Ready? Number 10. So you have the 1 and the 0 make up the number 10. Okay? Now, this is where it gets good, right? Because even if, watch this, even if you could not see the number 10, you would know Mrs. Ryan has her circles in groups of 5. And how can I count that? Would I have to count it by 1, or could I just go 5, 10? Mrs. Ryan, you have 10 circles. Remember that? Skip counting. Yeah, that allows you to count lickety split. So if I did not have the number 10 here and all you could see was this, you could just go 5, 10, and I know. Okay? All right. Great job. I'm going to make another video and it's the teens all the way from 11 to 20. Okay? So start practicing those, and those are all double-digit numbers, and from now on, double-digit numbers. Practice writing your numbers just as much as you practice writing your sentences and your words. Okay? All right. Okay. Our Zoom call starts in 40 minutes. All right. Ooh.